In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Myfxbook Open Trades. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to see your current positions and how to read the key information so you can monitor your trading in real time with confidence. First, start by logging into your Myfxbook account. Make sure you're on the official site and that your connection is secure. If you use two-factor authentication, have that ready. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard, which gathers all the accounts you've connected to Myfxbook. If you don't immediately see your data, give it a moment to sync, as updates depend on how your platform is publishing to Myfxbook. Next, head to the Portfolio section. You'll find it in the main navigation. Inside Portfolio, select the trading account you want to review. If you have multiple accounts, they'll be listed by name and often show whether they're live or demo. Choose the one you're actively tracking. When the account page opens, you'll see a summary of performance metrics. If numbers look outdated, use the refresh option on the page and wait a few seconds for the latest data to load. Now, look for the Open Trades or Open Positions section on your account page. This is where all your current active positions are displayed in a table. It typically shows the symbol, whether the trade is a buy or sell, the lot size, the time and price the trade was opened, and your stop loss and take profit if you set them. You'll also see the current market price, the number of pips gained or lost, and the floating profit or loss for each position. Some accounts will also display swap and commission, which affect your net result. Keep an eye on the total floating PL at the bottom. It gives a quick snapshot of how your open positions are performing overall. You can usually sort the table by clicking on column headers, which helps you group trades by symbol, size, or profitability. If a trade row is clickable, select it to view more details, such as exposure or history specific to that position. Check that the time zone and currency settings on your account page match your preferences so the numbers make sense at a glance. Remember that updates are not always instantaneous. The refresh rate depends on how your trading platform publishes data to Myfxbook. That's it. Log in, go to Portfolio, choose your account, and review the Open Trades section to monitor your positions clearly and objectively. Stay organized, verify your settings, and use the table to keep your decision-making data-driven.